Hello, this is Luis Limas, and today I will be showing you how to remove the front panel on your Delta Heat barbecue grill. To remove the front panel, we will need to remove two Phillips screws. The screws are located on the bottom right and left of the front panel. To remove the screws, you will need to pull out the drip pan. Once the drip pan is removed, the screws will be accessible. Next, we will need to remove the screws holding the front panel to the body of the grill. Be sure to remove the knobs from the valves prior to pulling the front panel off. Finally, to remove the front panel, carefully pull the bottom side towards you, then push down on the front panel. Once again, this is Luis Limas. Thank you for choosing Delta Heat and have a great day.